Suva City. This is our story. There were four of us from a village by the sea. Simple life, big dreams inside a we. Kenny-Y raised us strong and true. But the road ahead was something new. Georgie, Possessi, Malo, Rocco, hearts full of hope, didn't know where we'd go. Left our home just to try and see if we could make it through tertiary. City life was never easy. So many nights we almost gave in, but help came when we needed most. From family who opened their doors. If it wasn't for the love you showed, we wouldn't be standing where we are now. You carried us down that hard road when our strength was running out. We're so grateful, we're so blessed for the hands that helped us rise. Without you we wouldn't have achieved these dreams we hold tonight. Uncle Luke and Auntie Mary stood strong, took us in when things went wrong. Food on the table, a place to stay, gave us hope when we lost our way. You believed when we couldn't see what the future had for we. Every sacrifice you made helped to shape the lives we live today. Now we look back and realize every tear, every try was building something bigger than fear, preparing us for what's now here. If it wasn't for the love you showed, we wouldn't be standing where we are now. You carried us down that hard road when our strength was running out. We're so grateful, we're so blessed for the hands that helped us rise. Without you we wouldn't have achieved these dreams we hold tonight. Rocco and Possessi answered the call, wearing uniform, standing tall. Marley and George serving the land, giving back, lending a hand. From village boys with simple names to walking proudly in our lanes. This success is not ours alone, it was built by love we were shown. This is more than just a song, it's a thank you from our hearts. You helped us grow, you made us strong. You were there from the very start. We'll never forget the things you did, the sacrifices, the pain, the time. Without you standing right beside us, these dreams would never be mine. From Drake, Kenny-Y to Suva City,